Okay, so number 3, we have y equals x squared minus 4. This is our original equation. So let's make an in-out table for that. Original in-out table. So we got -2. This is number 3. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. When you put in -2, what do you get?
0.
When you put in -1, what do you get? And 0, 1, 2. Alright. So from there, that is our original. For A, we have f of x plus 2. So based off of what we just got done saying, is this going to change x or y?
Y.
Okay, so x stays the same, y is, okay. Did somebody say y? Okay, so you add 2 and you get 2, -5, not -5. How about -1? -2, -1, and 2. Okay. Do I need to go over the plotting of the points, or are we good as far as graphing? Okay. For B, we have f of x minus 2. So does that change x or y? Add x, subtract what? Okay. So y, we still have 0, not these new numbers, but we have our original. Always go back to your original. So we have 0, -3, -4, -3, 0. We're going to add 2 to our x's of our original. So we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Questions on that? So then we have 3 times f of x. So what do we do there? Okay, change x. What do we do to x?
Wait a second. Change
Wait a second. Change the y. Okay, so x stays the same of the original in-out table. Y, you multiply by 3 of the original. So 0 times 3 is? -3 times 3 is? There you go. So that elongated your graph. For D, we got f of 3x. So do you change x or y?
X.
What do you do to x? Okay, so we divide x by 3. It's not very pretty numbers, but we get -2/3, -1/3, 0, 1/3, and 2/3. X stays the same with, or y stays the same, excuse me, with 0, -3, -4, -3, 0. So on one of our problems before, Macy asked, can we do, for our original in-out table, can we make x be values that are divisible by 3? Of course. But make sure that you put new y values in and then go from there.
Okay.
That's it. Questions? Comments? Any other questions on your review? Yes, ma'am. All right. So those are also going along with our transformations. So we have y equals the absolute value of x minus 5 plus 3. So for here, Our original is going to be y equals the absolute value of x on numbers 1 and 2. So if that is our original equation, and we put in -2, what do you get? You get what? 2. -1. 0. 1. 2. Questions on that? Because I have to have an original before I can do those. Okay. So, from here, what does the +3 do? Does that change x or y? It changes y because it's outside of the little thing. So we're going to have y plus 3. What does the -5 do? And do we add 5 or subtract 5?
We add 5.
So both of them are changing in this example. Any other questions?
Okay, so on the first two, it's on the outside.
Mm-hmm.
So then do you just have that one?
This Miss Albers.